Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to enable bypass charging feature on RedMagic 11 Air smartphone. First of all, you have to plug in the charging cable into your smartphone, then open any game that you want to play while charging your device. And now to bypass battery charging and charge your system directly, you have to open the game center in-game by swiping it from either top right side or top left side of your smartphone. Then on the right side of the game center, find the charge separation feature, tap on it, and this way you will enable charge separation, which will bypass charging to your battery and will instead charge your system directly. To disable this feature, just tap on it on this tile once again. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.